Okay, people. Haven't done many cooks on this thing yet. Still learning the temperature. But got some onions. Got some potatoes going on underneath there. Oh yeah. Got some firecracker brats. A few sirloin steaks. Some roasted jalapeno. A couple corn on the cobs. Brussels sprouts got done quick. Like I said, I'm playing with the temperature on this thing. Just learning it, so still good. Not overcooked, I could say. And some homemade pickled slaw for the brats. Those are firecracker brats, so I figured I'd offset it with some of this pickled slaw. Man, does that smell delicious. I wish you could smell everything. No smell-o-vision yet. This is just my little makeshift cooking station till my other one gets done. Don't know exactly when that is. Hopefully by the end of the summer I'll have something going. Them steaks smell so good. Alright, people. Drop a comment, hit the like button, subscribe, tell your friends. Still haven't come up with a name yet for the cooking show, but maybe Chew and Brew. Tell me what you think. Later, people.